in the previous video we showed how to add images and hyperlinks, but in this video I'm just going to go into more detail. So here we have the hyperlink Chelsea. If we click on this, it takes you to the Chelsea FC website. The code itself, as previously mentioned, is really simple actually. So we've got a href and then we've got the Chelsea website, which is the URL we're using. Here I've actually added font size just to make it a bit larger, but that can be changed accordingly to whatever pixels you want. And also I've also centered the text. This part is actually the crucial part because this is what will actually be displayed. So far we have Chelsea, but if I wanted to just say Chelsea Football Club, I could do it like that. And it would be displayed like that. In terms of hyperlinks, that is simply all there is to it. There's nothing too complicated about it. Now let's move on to pictures. So here we have a Chelsea flag, and this is actually coming from a file saved in My Documents, and this is found in the images folder, chelseafc.jpg, which you can find here, which is actually in the same folder as the HTML's fun.html document, which I'm using for this webpage. Using an images folder is actually much easier. We could just simply have this image in the HTML's fun document folder, and just remove the images path name. But in terms of just organizing your web page, this is the best way of doing it. We also have alt equals Chelsea badge. So for example, if the file can't be found, this piece of text will be displayed instead of the actual image. And here I've just started to just change the width and height of the actual image. So we could just change to 300 and maybe 400. Oh, sorry, 400, and it should change the size of the image. Another way of actually getting images is, instead of using this piece of code, we could just simply enter the URL from a particular image we get off Google, for example, and just input it in, replacing this part, and it should just show the image. The last thing we have on this particular website is a video. This is a YouTube video that I just randomly selected for this particular web page, but if I wanted to show you how to, it's really simple actually. We can just go onto YouTube, we go on the embed button found, if you click on share, there's share, embed, email, but if you go on embed, it actually has the code for you. So if you just copy this code and just input it into the text, so I've used P just to create a new paragraph just to have a bit more space, but you just simply input this and it'll display onto your web page. Depending on the plugins and stuff, it may work, may not work, but it really depends on your computer itself. But in terms of images, links, and videos, that is really it. In summary, this video goes across the basics of adding images, links, and videos to your webpage and shows it is very easy to implement them. In regards to these features, there are many more things that can be done to them. However, in this video, we are just simply going through the basics to just give you a foundation. I hope you did enjoy the video, and please do watch the other ones for any other help. Thanks again.